I wanted to build a shipping crate, and I had some plywood stored out in the trailer. I went and looked at it, and it had some mold on it, both sides. It was good-looking plywood. I came up with a plan. I used a cheap 3-inch flexible sanding pad that had a stem on it. I could put in my spindle, ran it at about 8,000 RPM and around 2,000 millimeters per minute on the table. Did a facing run, and it took the mold off brilliantly. This is a Lawan plywood, or a Lawan faced plywood. It's decorative. I just didn't want to get away with mold on it. I can't ship a crate out that's got mold on it. That's just not good. I make this tab furniture, or tab crates. They work really well, very strong when you get it done right. I have to make the tabs all fit together, and then I'm going to do a contour run. The trick with this is you have to drill holes at the intersections or in the corners, because the bit won't make an inside corner, it'll make an inside radius, and then when you try to fit the parts together, it doesn't work. The sanding pad on the right before, the sanding pad on the left after. Yeah, I got that screwed up. The machine will now drill all the holes. I use a chip breaking so it doesn't just plunge right through. And this works out pretty well, because when I'm doing contours, I'm running the bit around the outside of the part. It's essentially cutting the part out. I do it in about 3 passes. The bit is traveling at about 12,000 RPM and around 2,500 millimeters per minute. 6 millimeter depth of cut. And I'm not doing tabs on this, and I think I'm going below the material by 1/4 of a millimeter. I'll do it normal speed, and then I'll speed it up a little bit. One of the prophecies of making things is being able to put your name on it. To do this, I use an engraving toolpath. I hope you enjoy it. The rest is music.